Get into a car with value. 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take the path less traveled in the Wrangler JK, the iconic SUV that has the technology you need to be safe and secure and an indomitable off-road spirit. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't settle for less than what your free spirit craves. Drive the Wrangler JK.